This Cadillac Escalade has a strong gas 6.2 liters/376 engine powering this automatic transmission. Transmission, 10-speed automatic electronically controlled with overdrive, tow/haul mode and tap-up/tap-down shifting, STD, seats, second row bucket, power configurable, STD, Platinum Preferred Equipment Group includes standard equipment. Packages that make driving the Cadillac Escalade Platinum and experience maple sugar with jet black accents, semi-aniline full leather seats with mini perforated inserts, third row seats, leather, LPO, polished exhaust tip, engine, 6.2 liters V8 with active fuel management, spark ignition direct injection, SIDI, and variable valve timing, VVT, includes aluminum block construction, 420 horsepower, 313.2 kilowatts, at 5,600 revolutions per minute, 460 pounds-to-foot of torque, 621 Nm, at 4,100 revolutions per minute, STD, engine block heater, crystal white tricoat, Cadillac user experience with embedded navigation AM/FM stereo with a diagonal color information display featuring touch response, haptic feedback, gesture recognition, enhanced voice recognition, phone integration for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capability for compatible phone, connected apps and teen driver. 5 USB ports, including one in the articulating storage door/bin and auxiliary audio port, STD, wireless charging, located on the top of the center console. The system wirelessly charges one PMA or Qi-compatible mobile device. Some phones have built-in wireless charging technology and others require a special adapter/back cover. To check for phone or other device compatibility, see cadillactotalconnect.ca or consult your carrier. Wipers, front intermittent, Rainsense, wiper, rear intermittent with washer, windshield, solar absorbing, windows, power with driver and front passenger express up/down and rear passengers express down, wheels, 22x9. 55.9 cm by 22.9 cm, dual 9-spoke alloy with chrome insert/ultra silver metallic finish, upgradable to RPT, 22x9 split 6-spoke alloy wheels with chrome finish, SMI, 22x9 6-spoke alloy wheels with chrome finish or SH0, 22x9 12-spoke alloy wheels with polished finish, wheel, full-size steel spare, 17. 43.2 cm, with black finish. Universal home remote includes garage door opener, 3-channel programmable, transmission, 10-speed automatic electronically controlled with overdrive, tow/haul mode and tap-up/tap-down shifting. Stop by today. Come in for a quick visit at Laird Wheaton, 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia V93L3 to claim your Cadillac Escalade.